One of the most frustrating things for me as a teacher this year is when students get a mental block simply because they're in the science classroom. If I'd given students this simulation to just play around with on their own and called it play rather than experiment, they would have had very little trouble on the backside of the page to figure out the correct ratios. However, because it was written as an experiment and there was no distinct procedure given to them, they suddenly froze up. And whether they were afraid of making a mistake or working things out the wrong way, I wasn't quite sure. But given the safe environment of working on a computer simulation, it was very difficult to watch them struggle this way. So I kept reassuring them that all they had to do was play around with it and track their results. And I think just the addition of a data table next to the text space might help make this a lot easier for my students next year. Just to give them a little guidance that they will need to be looking at these reactions and collecting what the coefficients were. So perhaps choosing one, whether it be the methane or the ammonia reaction, and then providing the equation 3 or 4 times with space for them to write in the numbers they find so that they can list which reactions give them no leftovers might make it a little simpler task for students and a little safer for them to work with.